Jai Srimanarayana. 25th sloka of 5th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Labhante Brahma Nirvanam Rushayaha Ksheena-kalmashaha Chinnadvaidaha Yatatmanaha Sarvabhuta Hite rataha. Om. Make sure your mind is well directed and devoted to the welfare of all beings. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall make sure my mind is well directed and devoted to the welfare of all beings. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensual enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "Oh Parikshin Narendra, when one common man came and asked water from Rantideva, when Rantideva heard such depressed words from that common man, now he is saying like this, "Oh my dear friend, I do not seek such a great position which belongs to Brahma and other devatas. And I do not need moksham also. I don't desire for moksham also. But what I desire for is all the living entities, they should not be having any thirst and hungry. That is what I want to do. Because of me, they should not be suffering at all. So without having them suffer, if I am able to live, that is fine. And also, I want to take their grief, and I want to see all living entities living happily." Also, for every living entity, water is such most important one. Now you are feeling thirst. Let me give you this water. And with this, by giving this water to you, because you need it very badly, this will definitely give such a great amount of punyam. What else could be the more superior, meritorious act than this? Like that, Rantideva felt and gave that water to that man who is feeling thirsty. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 25th sloka. Labhante Brahma Nirvanam Rishayaha Kshina Kalmashaha Chinnadvaidha Yatatmanaha Sarva Bhutahite Rataha. Labhante Brahma Nirvanam Rishayaha Kshina Kalmashaha Chinnadvaidha Yatatmanaha Sarva Bhutahite Rataha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.